Hi, and welcome to another Tech Tuesday. Today we're going to be talking about how to use Cloud Library on your computer or laptop. So the first thing you need to do, as with most of these videos, is go to westmontlibrary.org and then Digital Branch, which you can go to by clicking here or hovering here and clicking on Digital Branch here. From there, click on Browse under Digital Media, and then scroll down to Cloud Library and click Visit Cloud Library. Once you reach Cloud Library, you want to log in right up here. All it takes is entering your library card, so you just put that right here. And then once you're logged in, you can go about finding something to read or listen to. So as with some of the other services, there's a featured list that rotates on the front page right here, so you can just take a look. If there's anything that interests you, you just click on the title. It'll open up this window and you'll have an opportunity to borrow it or read more about it. You can also browse by subject or genre. And it's pretty detailed actually, so you can look here and look through all the various designations that they have for different stuff. And then it'll actually create a list of sort of the most popular things in each of these categories that you select down here. So you see right now I have fantasy, historical, literary, mystery, detective, and so on and so forth. And so I can click any one of these featured titles, or I can click list view here and just hone in just on that specific thing. So you can also filter by going to filters up here. There's a couple of options basically to limit to either ebooks or audiobooks. So right now it has both enabled. If I want only one or the other, I just click this, see it disables that one or disables that one. And then I can choose from all titles, titles that are available now, and titles that you want to suggest for the library. So basically all titles is everything that the library already owns, including the stuff that's checked out already. Cloud Library uses digital copies like Overdrive, so if somebody else has a copy of something checked out, you can't check out that copy until they quote-unquote return it, even though it's a digital item. So again, all titles is everything the library has. Available now is everything the library has but is currently available, meaning you can check it out right away. And suggestions for library is everything that Cloud Library offers, with a bunch of stuff that the library does not already have. The reasoning being that if you click on that, you find something you want, you can request to us that we buy it for the collection so that you can check it out. You're encouraged to do this, however, keep in mind, depending on what you recommend, we may or may not purchase it, depending on whether we think it'd be viable for other people in our digital collection. So for right now, let's say we'll limit it to just ebooks and just available now. And you see it'll reload the page. And now I have all my categories limited to ebooks that are available now. So to borrow, again, you just click borrow here. And then you can read it, or you can return it early, or if you just wait, it'll automatically return itself at the end of the loan period. You can also download for offline reading, so that if you want to go someplace that doesn't have Wi-Fi, you can still read your book that you checked out. Just go read here. Okay, and then just use the arrow keys to navigate. Or just click here and you bring up the various controls for font size, for skipping chapters, for bookmarking, so on and so forth. And then once you're done reading, you can just click and then close right here. And you see this still here. So then if you're done with it, like I said before, you can just return it early by clicking here and return. So lastly, you can also find items by just going to the search bar here. Just click here and enter whatever it is you want to search for, and then those items will come up here that have some sort of title match. And that's about it for Cloud Library. If you like this video, please check out some of the other videos on our YouTube channel, and have a nice day.